Okay, this is a package from our buddy Kirk, and I don't know what it is because they didn't tell me. So, how do I open it?
Very carefully.
Yeah, but where? Here?
On the end.
No, duh. Which one? This would be better in time-lapse. I'm not very good with envelopes. Is it envelope or envelope?
Well, it depends on where you live.
Well, no. Depends on who you are.
What's in there?
Stuff.
Let's see. Who's that?
Guy from Judas Priest.
Rob Halford?
Yeah.
Cool. What's that? Schecter guitar? Cool. Well, you dropped something. What's that say? Chloe rocks.
Oh, sweet.
What's that? A guitar pick. Cool. It's a skull, like holographic.
You said school.
Skull. What's on the other side of that? Oh, cool.
Go faster.
Housekeeper.
Cool.
Yeah.
PV. Cool.
My picks.
Cool.
Say where Kirk got this stuff.
Yeah, where'd Kirk get all this stuff?
Kirk went to NAMM.
NAMM.
NAMM?
Yeah.
Kurt was at the NAMM convention in.
Floyd.
Oh, a Pink Floyd pick? Cool. What else is in there?
Oh!
Whoa, what's that say? To Chloe, love ya, Eric Bass Shinedown. Wow, cool.
Look at all this much stuff could fit in an envelope.
What's that?
Oops, stuff in
To
the
Chloe.
Wayne's To Chloe.
Who's, oh, Wayne.
Wayne Static.
We have to look him up.
Yeah, cool.
stuff in the pick.
Wow, you got like Pick City. Cool.
Foil.
Ernie Ball, 50th anniversary.
Faster.
I can't go any faster.
Tim Young, drums. Cool. To Chloe. Wow, way cool.
And they all spelled it right.
Yeah.
You probably told them. Another pick that's
Cool. They got holographic
a
pics
dude,
now.
and it has his skull in his brain. It reminds me of that picture I posted with the skull with the.
Mhm.
No.
Who's that? To Chloe, Jeremy Spencer. Cool.
Five Finger Death Punch.
Yeah.
I know a whole lot of kids that would be very jealous of that.
John Humphrey.
Either.
Cool.
Stewart was Steven.
Yeah.
They actually know them.
Michael Anthony from Van Halen. Way cool.
To Chloe.
To Chloe, personalized. Wow. Vinnie Paul. Wow, he's a great drummer too. Oh, I don't remember. He's played for a lot of guys.
More stickers.
Cool. Cool.
There's a whole lot of stuff in this envelope. DJ.
To Chloe.
DJ.
Love you. Who's that from?
DJ.
Oh, DJ Ashba. And he wrote his name below his signature too. Cool.
Skid Row.
Whoa.
I love Skid Row.
Oh, cool. Oh.
Okay, I am a Clubs team.
Chloe.
Who's that? Something Roth.
The name's on.
Is that David Lee Roth?
I'm not David Lee Roth, is it?
I don't think so. We'll have to look. Who's that?
Lita Ford.
To Chloe, stay beautiful. Lita Ford.
Oh my
Wow.
God.
Way cool.
I'm jealous.
No kidding.
The guy from LA Ink, Corey.
Oh, cool.
I
Too
love LA
Chloe.
Ink.
Cool.
Kirk's like your godfather you never need to have.
Yeah, no kidding.
Velvet Revolver drummer.
Oh, cool. That's Sorum?
To Chloe from...
Guy from Cheap Trick.
Oh, the guy from Cheap Trick. Bunny Carlos, the drummer from Cheap Trick. Cool. Warren DeMartini from Rat. Cool.
Steve Riley, LA Guns.
Wow.
Slayer.
Slayer. Who's that?
That's some rocker hair.
Yeah. Wait, there's more information.
Cool. More?
Another pick, and it changes from Pirates of the Caribbean skull. It just gets bigger and smaller. And it like goes red eyes now. That's cool. There's still more. You have to get a really big envelope for all this.
You did.
Guy from Korn.
Oh, cool.
Now you know how to decorate your room.
Yeah. We were just gonna go down to Cheapo and get records. I was talking to Kyle about that the other day.
What's that?
Another sticker.
Cool.
And
Be very careful with that.
oh, and he sent me pictures. He probably took. And he wrote, "Sorry, these suck." But it looks like such. Sorry, these such.
That's okay. Suck sounds better. Let's see. Chloe rocks.
No way, they all held up the sign. Look at that.
Look at that.
Lita Ford.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Now we know where the Chloe rocks comes from.
Who are the other two guys?
Let's see.
Is that Tommy Lee? It looks like him. I can't tell.
I don't know. That is cool.
And bracelet, I think. Oh, it's the 5-finger death punch.
5-finger death punch?
Or wait, I don't know. I can't open it. Oh, it's a skull. Skull candy. It's
Oh,
a Skull
wow.
Candy logo.
Oh, cool.
What a lucky girl. How embarrassing that you opened this. What do you mean this
It
is?
says twist and pull. Where did I put the scissors? These are
Way
death.
cool.
Scissors of death.
And Mama doesn't want to be on camera, so I will not.
Because she says she looks ugly.
Okay, there you go.
Alright, here you go.
Okay.
And the finale.
Be very careful.
That was epic. I am. I'm not careful this one. Let me take a shotgun one.
I heard a drumstick.
Yeah.
From who?
No way.
Oh! Dude!
What?
Tommy Lee!
Chloe, Tommy, effing Lee. And a heart.
Wow.
Cool. So,
Did he literally write Tommy?
no. So, is that a Tommy effing Lee drumstick?
Probably.
That's it.
Let's see.
Michael will be super jealous.
Did he sign it? No, what does it say?
It says, Chloe, I love you.
Oh, it's Ricky Rocket.
Ricky Rocket from Poison.
Ah.
Cool.
It says Bottle Rocket. That.
Is there more in there?
I don't know.
I think that's more than enough. What do you say, Kurt?
Thank you. Oh, that's just my face.
I bet we're going frame shopping.
All right, now we're going frame shopping. Hey, Kurt, you made Chloe's day and
Said
year.
Kurt again.
That's how us Minnesotans say that up here, you know.
Kurt.
Kirk.
Kurt, thank
We love you,
Kurt.
Kirk. Thank you.